So now I'm going to show you how the installation happens. So I tend to make it easier and to make everything easy to install, I take the top bit of the ATEX case and I lay it face down on a flat surface, on a working surface. Then I take my tablet, which I have already cleaned. I've cleaned my case, I've cleaned my tablet. So this clear round circle at the bottom must correspond to the home button on your tablet. So you turn your tablet upside down and you install it. When you do install it like this, you will find the button at the top, the on-off button at the top will automatically correspond with the on-off button on the case, and the up and down buttons at the side will automatically correspond with up and down buttons on the side. It is a good idea to just make sure that the buttons are corresponding, not on top of the tablet on your case. Once this has been done, your tablet will automatically lie flat. You can see that when you look at it, it's not leaning to one side. That's what makes you know that your tablet is lying correctly within its case. When you have done that, you then take the bottom bit. Remember, our unit is upside down at this point, so the bottom bit is the last to go on. Your camera, the back of your tablet, is facing you at this point in that corner. That camera should correspond with that clear gap, that clear round gap in the corner of your case. So if you put that on there, your tablet should be matched correctly. After that, you then go round and press the bottom and the top bit of your case together. What this does is to close the seam along your unit, and you need to do this firmly and all around your case. If you don't do this properly, it means that your tablet is compromised and it's not ATEX safe. So you need to be really, really careful, and you need to take your time, go around and press those two units together until there isn't a single gaping space between the bottom and the top of the case. So when you look around your case, it should be all uniform and there shouldn't be any gaps around. And if you just see any gaps, and pay special attention to the corners of your tablet to make sure that there's any gaps. I want to just point out that you will find that there is one corner here where there is a gap. That is normal, the case comes like that, so you'll find that that gap will not close, and you can tell it's a manufacturer that comes like that from the manufacturer. So that's the only bit that you should be aware of, but otherwise the rest of the case should be tightly closed. So the other thing that I need you to look out for is your charging port. Your charging port is there at the bottom of the case. So now, because this is an ATEX case, you never charge your ATEX case in a ATEX area. You take your case out of an ATEX area, you charge your case, and when you finish charging, while you're charging is open like that, you need to firmly close that charging port before you bring your case back into an ATEX area. The last thing that I'd like to do is to show you what we do. We then put a warranty void label. This is just so to ensure that nobody then opens this case after installation. This just ensures that your case is Zone 2 safe, is ATEX safe, and the more you open that case and close it, the more you're compromising. So we want to make sure that once we've done the installation, that case does not get opened to ensure maximum safety. So we tend to put 2 warranty void labels on the case like that. I tend to just give it one last wipe just to make sure. After I've done that, you want to test to see that your device will switch on. My device at the moment is not charged. I don't know if the camera can pick up, but then you can tell that the device is telling me that I need to charge the device. That means that that on and off button is working. And you also need to just try the up and down button, the volume button, to see those are working. When you've done that, you have successfully installed the Zone 2 case.